Solskjaer travelled to Tottenham Hotspur Stadium with his job on the line. United only had one clean sheet in last 21 games. But what tactics did both managers use, which resulted in Ole walked away with all 3 points and Nuno had to walk away from his job. The game finished 3-0 in favour of United with a goal each from Ronaldo, Cavani and Rashford. Although Tottenham had more possession of the ball, the XG indicates United created more quality chances, and on the other hand, Spurs did not even have a shot on target the whole game. United lined up with 3-4-1-2 and Nuno stuck to his 4-2-3-1 formation as seen on Sporting app. Sporting is a free app that provides you all live match data and news related to your favorite club. You can download it for free from the link in the description below. When United had the ball, Tottenham's front three marked United's back three. Lo Celso was marking United's deep-lying midfielder, McTominay in this case, as Cape was marking Bruno. This would often leave wingbacks open in the wide regions, but whenever one of them got the ball, Tottenham's marking made Wan-Bissaka to either go long or play a risky pass to Bruno. From here they would win the aerial ball and Højbjerg was staying open to receive it. Whenever Spurs got the ball back, United shifted to a compact 5-3-2 block without pressing. This compact block would often force Tottenham to play the ball back to centre backs. Then United would move the whole compact block with a high line, making it difficult for Spurs to play through. But when the ball was passed to a midfielder, United would start pressing aggressively with Bruno. This made Tottenham's defense to play a long ball behind United's line, from where De Gea would collect the ball. Five minutes into the game, Solskjaer made his first tactical change. He asked Fred to drop deeper. This made 1v2 on Lo Celso, who now has problems marking two deep-lying midfielders. This forced Cape to leave his zone and press McTominay. This left Bruno open in acres of spaces, who can now receive the ball without any pressure and run into the final third from where he or Wan-Bissaka can cross the ball for Cavani and Ronaldo. Whenever United got the ball in the final third, centre-backs would often join up the field to stop any counter-attacks or win the ball back. And whenever Skip didn't press and Tottenham tried to overload the midfield, this often opened up a switch on far side. Ronaldo also started to drop deeper to help out Shaw. This dragged Romero out of his defensive line, creating a huge hole at the back, which Bruno often tried to exploit. One good touch here and it could have been 1-0 to United. And United's first goal was a combination of all of these tactics. Son plays a through ball behind United's high line and Wan-Bissaka wins it back. McTominay outmuscles Lo Celso and plays it to Bruno, who gets away from Skip. Then Tottenham tries to overload the midfield. It opens up a switch to Shaw. Ronaldo drops deeper, which drags Emerson out. Bruno takes advantage of that and receives the ball behind Emerson. Then plays it back to Ronaldo. Ronaldo then finds Fred, who plays it back to McTominay. Meanwhile, Tottenham tries to overload the midfield again, which opens up Wan-Bissaka. Wan-Bissaka plays it back to Scott. Tottenham shifts the overload. The ball is switched to Shaw, who holds up the play and waits for support to arrive. Shaw crosses the ball and Wan-Bissaka shoots. It falls down to Ronaldo after Son blocks it. Ronaldo shoots, Cavani wins it back and plays it to Fred, who tries to play 1-2 with Bruno. Romero heads it away. Maguire wins it before Kane plays it back to Bruno. Super ball from Bruno and a finish equal to it by Ronaldo, and it's first blood to United. United's second goal, however, came from a different tactic. United were defending with 5-3-2 high line. As soon as ball is played in the midfield, Bruno starts pressing and wins the ball in danger area from Skip. Ronaldo offers the support and gets the ball from Fernandes. Bruno makes a run, taking Skip and Dyer with him. Ronaldo then chops Dyer and plays a perfect through ball for Cavani, Cavani makes absolutely no mistake and dinks the ball over Lloris, and it's 2-0 United. In the end, United deservedly won this game with 3 goals to nil. What do you think of the tactics used by both managers? And what changes you would have made if you were Tottenham boss? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, hit a like for the efforts taken to make this video and subscribe if you enjoy tactical analysis. And I will see you in the next one. Peace out.